wasting my time trying to make up my mind. Well, I'm sitting here as the chandelier is whispering in my ear, saying, can I get a cigarette? I know you'll never be mine, but can you come around tonight and sing me a lullaby? Just take my heart and break it. Can you come around tonight? I might be the enemy, but nothing quite hits like you. Well, take this pen and write me, oh, write me a song, and I'll try to forget it. Oh, standing there as the man upstairs comes crashing through the ceiling, saying, where's my fucking cigarette? With fire in his eyes, can you come around tonight and sing me a lullaby? Just take my heart and break it. Can you come around tonight? I might be the enemy, but nothing quite hits like you. And as all my patience starts to dry and my feet leave skids across the sand, I'll know that you won, and I'll run back to where I came from.
1, 2, 3, come on. Was it part of the plan to fuck it up so bad? Oh, sorry, mom and dad. Nothing this good could ever last. I got teeth made of glass and a table made of steel. Nothing's real. Life's a game that makes a man lose sight of his own name. And it ain't pack when it's peak, when now you know. Yeah. Clouds are out and that's okay. I don't need sunshine, I need rain to drown the talking out. Let's see what this talking's all about. When I come back around, you better give it to me straight. Yeah. Well, I give it, you take it, I live it, you fake it, I bought it, you break it, you push it away. Not everyone hates my guts. Fuck. Nothing's real, so play pretend. In 7 months might just stumble into your hands. And it ain't pack when it's peak, when now you know. Yeah. Nothing's real, and life's a game that makes a man lose sight of his own name. Honey, it ain't pack when it's peak, when now you know.